Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss uh, chapter 3, playing with number, exercise 3.1. In exercise 3.1, question number 1 है write all the factor of the following numbers. So here first part of question number 1 is 24. So we need to write all factors of 24. So what is factors? If a number divisible by all those numbers, if a number divisible by any numbers, that any numbers is called the factor of the given numbers. It means that if 24, if any number divides 24, so that number is factor of 24. So in this way, if 24 is divisible by 2, 24, 2 divides 24, so it means that 2 is the factor of 24. 1 divides 24, it means that 1 is the factor of 24. 3 also divide 24, 8 divide 24. So in this way, all those numbers who divide 24 is called factor of 24. 12 divides 24, 6 also divide 24. So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 divides itself 24. Okay, 24 is also divide 24. So you can say 24 is the factor of itself. Okay, so all those numbers who divides any numbers, all those numbers who divides any numbers, that number is factor of the given numbers. Okay, so I hope all of you understood what is factors. First write the factor of 24. So we first checks and that although who divides 24. So here you can see 2 divide 24 12 times, 1 divide 24, 3 divide 24, 6 divide 24, 5 is not divide 24. Okay, and 12 divide 24, 24 itself divide 24. So we can write the factor of 24 is 1. Factors of 24. We can write factors of 24 are all those numbers divide 24. They are factor of 24. So here you can see 1 divide 24, 2 also divide 24, and 3 divide, 4 divide, 6, 8, and 12 and 24. 24 divide itself. So you can see here factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So student, I hope all of you understood how to find factors. Okay, now the next part, B part, have 15. So we need to find, we need to write all factors of 15s. So all which number divides 15s, by which numbers 15 is divisible. So first 1, clear, 1 divide 15s. 2 is not divide 15s. 3, yes, 3 divide 15s. 3 5 the 15s. 4 not divide 15s. 5 divide 15. 5 3 the 15s. And 6 7 8 no, 10 no, 11 12 no, 15 itself divide 15s. So you can write here the factors of 15 are. So 1 is the factor of every numbers, because 1 divides all numbers. So 1 is the factor of all numbers, and the numbers itself the factor of numbers. Okay, so 15 divides by 1. It means that 1 divides 15s, and 3 divide 15s, 3 5 also divide 15s, and the 15 itself divide 15s. Okay, so in this way you can say and that the factors of 15, this is equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15s. So student, I hope all of understood how to find the factors of 15s. Okay, now next part C. In this part C part have 21. We need to find the factor of 21. So first we think all those numbers who divide 21. So you know the factor of 21 is 1 because 1 all divides all numbers. Okay, so here we write C part factors of 21. Factors of 21 are all those numbers who divides 21 and they are factors of 21. So 1 is the factor of every number because 1 divides every number. So you can write here 1. And 2 is 21 is not divisible by 2, but 21 is divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 divides 21, so 3 is the factor of 21. Now you can say 7 3 ja 21. It means that 7 also divides 21. So 7 is the factor of 21. After this 8 no, 9 no, 10 no, 11 12 no. It means that 21 divide itself. So you can write here 137 and 21 itself. The factors of 21 is 137 and 21 itself, the factor of 21. Now next part is 27. What is the factor of we need to write all factor of 27. The D part. So here we write factors of 27 are. So what is the factor of 27? All those numbers who divide 27, they are factor of 27. So what is the possible numbers who divides 27? So 1 divides every number, so 1 is the factor of 27. First is 1. After this 27 is divisible by 3. It means that 3 divides 27. So 3 is also factor of 27. Now next is 9. 6 is not divides 27. Next is 9. 9 divides 27. 9 3 are 27. So you can say 9 is the factors of 27. Okay, and last is 27 itself. 27 divided 27. So you can say and 27 is the factor of 27. So in this you can find the factor of 27 is the factor of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. Next part is 12. Okay, E part. Okay, what is the factor of? You need to find factor of 12. Of 12 R. Okay, so 1 divides every number. It means that 1 divides 12 also. So 1 is the factor of 12. Okay, now 2 divides 12. How many times? 6 times. It means that 2 is the factor of 12. 3 divides 12. So 3 is the factor of 12. 4 also divide 12. So 4 is the factor of 12. 5 not divide 12. 6 divide 12. So 6 is the factor of 12. And 12 itself divides 12. So 12 is the factor of 12. Now next part is F part. Here in this part we need to find the factor of 64. So here you can see the factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. It means that all those numbers you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 divide 12. So this is the factor of 12. Now we need to find the factor of 64. So all those numbers who divide 64, they are the factor of and 64. Okay. So first, 1 divides every number, so 1 is the factor of every number, so you can write here 1 is the factor of 64. 2 divides 64, so 2 is the also factor of 64. Now 3 is not divides 64. 4, yes, 4 divides 64. 16 4 is 64. Okay, so 4 is the factor of 64. 5 is not divisible. 64 is not divisible by 5, so 5 is not factor of 64. 6 not divide 64, so 6 is not factor of 64. And 64 is not divisible by 7, so 7 is also not factors of 64. 8, yes, 8 is 64. 8 into 8 64, so 8 is the factor of 64. Now 16 divides 64 4 times. 16 4 is 64. It means that 16 is the factor of 64. Now 32, again 32 divides 64. So 32 and 2 is 64. It means that 32 is the factor of 64. And then last 64 itself divides 64. So you can say 64 is the factor of 64. So here you can see the factor of 64 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So student, I hope all of you understood how to find factor of any numbers such as 18, 23, 36. So student, tell me what is the factor of 23? What is the factor of 23? Of course, you can say factor of 23 1 and 23, because 23 is a prime number. So what is a prime numbers? Factor of 23 is 1 and 23, only 2 factors, and you know very well 23 is prime numbers. So what is prime number? A number which have only 2 factors. 1 and itself the number is called prime number. So here 23 is a prime number. So 23 have only 2 factors. 1 divide 23 and 23 divide itself 23. So 23 have 2 factors. So 23 have 2 factors. So 23 is prime numbers. According to definition of prime numbers, a number which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself the number, then it is called prime numbers. If you take 29, also you find that factor of 29 is only 2 factors, 1 and 29 itself. It means that 29 is the prime number. What is the factor of 17? What is the factor of 17? Okay, so you can say the factor of 17 is 1 and 17 itself. 17 divided by 1. 1 divides 17 and 17 itself divides 17. It means that 17 has 2 factors, 1 and 17 itself. So 17 is a prime number because according to definition of prime numbers, a number which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself the number is called prime number. So student, I hope all of you understood what is prime number with factors. Okay, so I hope all of you familiar with factor and how to find factor in variables. Now we are going to discuss multiples. What is multiples? If you multiply any numbers by 1, 2, 3, then result will be multiple of that number. Suppose you need to find the multiple of 5. If you multiply 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, then it's become a multiple of 5. 5 into 3, 15. It means that 15 is the multiple of 5. 5 into 5, 25. 25 is the multiple of 5s. 5 into 6, 30. What is 30? 30 is the multiple of 5. Okay. So second question. Here you need to write the first 5 multiple of 5, 8, 9. Okay, 5 first multiple of 5, first multiple of 8, first multiple of 9. So I hope all of you know table of 5, table of 8, table of 9. So first multiple of 5 is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 5. This is the first multiple of 5. First multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Now similarly, first multiple of first 5 multiple of 8 is, so you know table of 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40. So it is the first 5 multiple of 8, 8, 16, 34, 24, 32 and 40. And similarly you can find the 5 multiple of 9. So let's see how to write it. So students, I hope all of you understood how to find multiple of any number. First 5 multiple, first 10 multiple, first 2 multiple of any number. For this we multiply 1, 2, 3, what according to condition. If you need to find the first 5 multiple, then we multiply first by 1, next second by 2, after this by 3, by 4, then result will be the multiple of that numbers. Okay. So question number 2, we need to find first 5 multiples of 5. So part A, in part A we given that 5, you need to find your first 5 multiples of 5. So let's see how to find first first 5 multiple of 5 are, what is the first 5 multiple of 5 are? You can multiply 5 into 1, 5 into 2, 5 into 3, 5 into 4, 5 into 5, 5 into 6, 5 into 7. Any numbers you can find, any multiple you can find of 5 is multiply continue 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But here we need to only 5. So you can write here 5 1 is 5, comma 5 2 is 10, sorry 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25. Okay. If you multiply 5 1 into 5, or you can say 5 into 1, this is equal to 5. This is the first multiples. Okay. When you multiply 5 into 2, you can see 5 into 2, then obtain second multiples of 5. 5 into 3, you can obtain 15. Third multiple of 5. 5 into 4, 5 into 4, this is 20. Fourth multiple of 5. 5 into 5, this is a 25. Fifth multiple of 5. 5 into 6, this is a 30. 6 multiple of 5. So in this way you can multiply from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then we obtain a lot of multiples of that numbers. Okay. Now the second part of this question B is we need to find 5 multiple of 8. So let's see how to find it. B part of question number 2 is that we need to find here first 5 multiple of 8. Wow. How to find first 5 multiple of 8? We can find by multiply to 8 by 1, 8 into 1. This is first multiple of 1, 8, 8, 8 into 2. This is a second, 8 plus 16, second multiple of 8, 8 into 3, 24. This is a third multiple of 4, 8 into 4, this is the 32. Fourth multiple of 8 into 5, this is equal to 40. This is a fifth multiple of 8 into 6, this is a 48. 6 multiple of 8, but here we need to find only first 5 multiple of 8, so we can write 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. So we can write here 8 and 16, 24, 32 and 40. So first multiple of 8, first multiple of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. And the next part, this is 9. Okay, so we need to find again the first 5 multiple of 9. This is C part. We write here first 5 multiple of 9. 9. First 5 multiple of and 9 are, so when we multiply 9 by 1, we have done 9 1 is 9. This is first multiple, and when we multiply 9 into 2, then we have done 18. Second multiple, 9 into 3, 27. Third multiple of 9, 9 4 ja 36. This is a fourth multiple of 9, and 9 5 ja 45. This is a fifth multiple of 9. Okay, so in this way we find the first 5 multiple of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. So student, I hope all of you understood how to find the multiple, or you can say factors. And after this we need to find the common factors and common multiples. How can you find common factors and common multiples? For this we take two numbers and find their factors. If any factor is common between them, then we can say it is the common factors of both numbers. And what is the common multiples? If we take any two numbers and find their multiple for a fixed distance, means after 5, after 6, first 5, first 6 and so on, and we find what the common multiple between them. Okay, then we can say it is a common multiple of the given numbers. For example, if you take 4 and 6, so multiple of 4 is, you can say multiple of 4, multiple of 4 is equal to, you can write 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and so on. And multiple of 6 is equal to, you know, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36 and so on. So you can see here 8 and 12 is present. 12 is the multiple of 4, and also you can see here 12 is the multiple of 6. It means that the common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. And the which numbers you can see here 24. And here also 24 is the multiple of 4, and here you can see 24 is the multiple of 6. So 24 is also multiple of, common multiple of 4 and 6. So you can write here common multiple of multiple of 4 and 6 is equal to first common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. After this 24. After this you can find 48 and 36. Okay, because uh, 36 is the multiple of 4 and 36 is the multiple of 6. So you can say the 36 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. Okay, so uh, also you can say you can find a lot of common multiple of 4 and 6 is and the table of 4, because here you can see 4 12 14 36 and so on. I want to say that if you need to find more common multiple of 6 and 4, then this is a table of 12 24 36 48 60 72 84 and so on. You can find the common multiple of 4 and 6. It means that this is a multiple of their LCM. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood how to find common multiples and common factors of the given two or more numbers. Okay, so now we are going to discuss next question number 3. Question number 3 is to match the following. Okay, match the items in column 1 with the item in column 2. So let's see how to match this. Let's see, this is question number 3. This is first column, this is second column. We need to match them. Okay, how we need to match it? So first is 35 and the option is multiple of 7. 35 is multiple of 7 or multiple of 70 or factor of 30, factor of 50, factor of 20 or multiple of 8. So 35 is the multiple of 7 or 70. So actually you can say 35 is the multiple of 7, because 7 5 ja 35. So you can imagine them. 35 is the multiple of 7. Now next is 15. What is 15? Multiple of 8? No. Multiple of 70? No. Factor of 30? Of course. Factor of 50? Factor of 20? No. No. So you can say 15 is the factor of 30, because 15 divides 30. It means that 15 is the factor of 30. Now 16. So what is 16? 16 is the multiple of 8. Yes, 16 is the multiple of 8. 16 is the multiple of 8. So you can join this. Okay, because 16 is the multiple of 8. 16 to the 8 to the 16. So 16 is the multiple of 8. Now fourth part, 20. What is 20? This match. 20 is the multiple of 70. No, wrong. 20 is the multiple of factor of 50. No, this is wrong. 20 is the factor of 20. Yes, 20 is the factor of 20 because 20 divides 20. So you can match fourth part is F parts. Now again, this is 25. So 25 is multiple of 70. No, this is wrong. 25 is factor of 50. Yes, because 25 divides 50. So 25 is the factor of 50. What is how can you find factors? All those numbers who divide 50, they are factor of 50. Okay, all those numbers who divide 20, they are factor of 20. All those numbers who divide any number, then those numbers are factor of the given natural numbers or any numbers. Okay, so here you can see in this first column we have only 5 items, but second column we have 6 items. So one item is left, multiple of 20. Okay, this is left. So you can see here again the 35 match B part multiple of 7. Okay, and the 15 is the factor of 30. This is third part, 16 is the multiple of 8, and fourth part 20 is the factor of 20 itself, because 20 divided 20, and last part, fifth part, 25 is the factor of 25 is the factor of 50. Student, I hope all of understood how to manage them, and enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.